So, good evening everyone. Let's continue our class with the previous year question papers. Now, I'm going to solve all the previous year question papers which are related to the Ctet and Ctet. Now, I'm going to solve all the previous year question papers which are related to the Ctet and Ctet. So, from very easy problem, we are going to start and we will go for the toughest of problems which are given in the question paper. So I'll try to solve all the question papers which are given in the question paper. Yes, let's continue our class. Let's start with the very basic question. Now see, if the question is given like this, x plus 1 by x value is 3, then what is the value of x square minus 1 by x square? So what is the value they are asking? X square minus 1 by x square. So for doing this one, now we are going to do the method called as first we are going to solve a square plus b square method, then we are going to solve again a square minus b square method we are going to follow. Now anyone, there are 4 options are given right over here. I am going to write the answers also. 2 root 5, root 5, 3 root 5 and 4 root 5. In this problem I'll explain only shortcut method how to do all the problems. Very easy and shortcut methods I am going to involve in this all the previous year question papers. So which makes you easy to understand and solve all the problems which are given in the question paper. We have to find out the value of a minus x square minus 1 by x square. So for knowing that one, we have to do the problem method. We have to solve the problem neatly. So how we are going to solve the problem? Very easily. We need to get the answer. So how much you are going to get the answer? We have to find it out. Yes, anyone knows the answer? If you know the answer, please type the answer in the comment box so that it will be easy to identify and solve the problem in the easy method. So if anyone knows the answer, you can share the answer to me. Yes, anyone? So which are the method I am going to use in this one? See, to find out what you are given in the question, to find out the value of x square minus y square. So x square minus 1 by x square, it is in the form of a square minus b square. X plus 1 by x and 1 minus x minus 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x answer we don't know, we know x plus 1. That is the answer is 3 into x minus 1 by x. So first we have to find out the value of x minus 1 by x. So x minus 1 by x. So we are having the formula a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equals to 4ab. So here a plus b whole square means x plus 1 by x whole square minus x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4 we are getting. We already know x plus 1 by x. So it becomes how much? How much you are going to get the answer here? See, as I said, we are using only shortcut methods here. This formula we are involving here. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square value is 4ab. Here a value is x and b value is 1 by x. So what is the a value? A value is x, b value is 1 by x. See, x plus 1 by x whole square minus x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4 into x into 1 by x. So x will be get cancelled. Now see, this one we know also. How much? 3 square minus x minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4. Now if we interchange 9 minus x minus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 4, just interchange these two values. X minus 1 by x whole square is equal to 9 minus 4, answer will become 5. When square goes right hand side becomes x minus 1 by x, value is root 5. That's it. So this is a very easy method to understand the problem. Now we are going to solve the second problem. Yes, now I'm going to show you the second problem. When see, we are having the question called as yes, when 3 coins are tossed, when 3 coins are tossed, so this is the chapter probability. This is a problem from the probability chapter. We are getting the answer from the probability chapter. Now see, probability chapter, when 3 coins are tossed at a time, what we are going to get the answer? So 3 coins when you are going to toss, we are getting head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, head, and fourth one is tail, 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 head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head. So possible total number of possible outcomes are total possible outcomes are totally 8 are there. So what is the total number of possible outcomes? So total possible outcomes are 8. Now see, I'm going to write the question. We already know probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Total number will not change by because it is already 8. Now see, if I am getting all heads we are getting how many time? Only one time. So probability of the event becomes 1 by 8. All tails, probability of an event 1 by 8. At least two tails where we are hanging. See, 2 tails, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, this one is head, tail, tail. Okay, so 2 tails how many times you are having? 4 by 8, which is equals to 1 by 8. 2 heads, at least 2 heads, same 4 by 8 equals to 1 by 8. 1 tail and 1 head, 1 tail and 1 head. how many times one tail one head? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 by 8, 3 comma 4, 3 by 4. Like this we are going to solve the problem. Yes, so like this we are going to solve the problem. Yes, now can solve the problem. Yes, so the next question we are going to write is, see, the question is very simple and the solution will be very easy. Yes, look here, the question as I said, first we have to write down the additive inverse. Additive inverse of 16 by 33. Adding, we have to add this additive inverse to the product of reciprocal 11 by 5 and minus 15 by 17. What is the answer we are going to get? I will show the question paper on the question only. Now see the question here. Add the additive of 16 by 33 and add the additive inverse to the product of 11 by 5 and minus 15 by 7. Product means product of the reciprocals. Product of the reciprocals 11 by 5 and 15. Add the additive inverse to the product of the reciprocals. First we have to do the product, then we have to write the reciprocals. Very simple. How we are going to see? First we are going to do the product 11 by 5 into minus 15 by 17. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. We are going to get the answer minus 33 by 17. Now for this number we are going to write it reciprocal minus 17 by 33. So this is the additive inverse plus we are going to write minus 16 by 33 minus 17 by 33 minus 16 by 33. So denominator we are going to get value 33 minus 17 minus 16 minus 33 by 33. We are going to get the answer 1. Why? Because 33 ones are 33, 33 ones are 33. So this is the final answer we are going to get. See the question, the next question is given. See the question number 193. If 100 secants are drawn to a circle, then the number of points of intersection of the secants with the circle is how many? यदि एक वृत्त पर 100 कोटिज़ों खींचे गए हैं तो कॉटन बिंदुओं की संख्या इस वृत्त पर है. Now very simple, how to draw the secant. What is tangent? Tangent is touching at one point. Touching at one point is tangent. Yes. That is called as secant. Touching at 2 points is called secant. So if there are 100 secants are there, 100 secants is nothing but we are going to get the answer 200 points. So touching the points, why? Because see, for one line we are getting 2 points. For 1 secant we are getting 2 points. For 100 seconds we are going to get 200 secant points. So already we have discussed what is the least prime number. Least prime number between 90 to 100 is 97. This is the least prime number between 93 and 103. Yes, next we are going to solve one more problem. So we know area of a triangle formula. We know what is area of a triangle formula. Area of a triangle of mod x1 into y2 minus y3 minus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So we are having area is given 72 and the 3 points are given. I am going to write all the 3 points right over here. 0, 0, 0, h and one is h, 0. So x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So 72 is equal to C. I am going to substitute 1 by 2 into x1 value is 0. y2 minus y3. h minus 0 minus x2 value is 0. y3 minus y1. 0 minus and the last and final value is how much? Yes. And the last value is y3 minus y1 is y3 minus x2 into y3 minus y1, 0 minus 0 plus last and final h into y1 minus y2, 0 minus. So 72 is equal to 1 by 2 into mod. Here I'll get 0 minus 0 plus into minus h into h become h square. Do cross multiplication. 144. See, 144 is equal to mod minus h square. Mod will become as a positive. So 144 equals to h square. So h square equals to 144. H equals to square goes right hand side becomes h value you are getting 12. So like this we are going to solve the problem. So tomorrow we'll continue our class. I'll upload some more videos. Okay, thank you.